What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best portable fan for car on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Trustnice USB car fan for backseat for kids. Trustnice presents a practical way to create steady airflow inside a vehicle by using a dual-head design that brings refreshing movement of air to passengers in every seat. Each rotating section works with its own control, allowing people to adjust the direction of the breeze according to personal preference. This approach helps children, adults, and pets remain relaxed during daily travel or long highway trips. Continuous rotation in every direction delivers wide coverage, filling the interior with smooth circulation that eases discomfort on warm days. The compact structure rests securely on the rear headrest, giving riders in different rows a pleasant stream of cooling movement. Every rotating fan head can shift horizontally and vertically, guiding air toward the driver, the back row, or specific corners. This flexibility brings balance throughout the cabin and helps maintain a pleasant atmosphere without creating disturbance. 3 levels of strength allow gentle airflow for quiet moments, medium movement for regular use, or a stronger stream for intense heat. Each rider can choose the ideal setting for the situation, making travel calmer and more enjoyable. Even at higher settings, the motor maintains a low sound level of 28 decibels, which supports peaceful rest for infants, pets, or anyone sensitive to noise. Steady circulation also assists with reducing interior fog on windows, clearing unpleasant smells, and keeping the atmosphere inside the vehicle fresh. By constantly moving air around every seat, the environment becomes easier to breathe while preventing the feeling of a stuffy cabin. This creates a smoother experience for commuters, families, and travelers who spend many hours inside their automobile. A convenient universal connection powered through a universal serial bus plug supplies steady energy without batteries. The 5-volt 2-ampere requirement works with power banks, vehicle ports, and many other common sources used on the road. A reliable clip holds firmly to most headrest rods ranging from 8 to 16 mm in diameter, making it suitable for sport utility vehicles, trucks, recreational transport vehicles, and standard passenger automobiles. The lightweight structure makes transport simple, and the foldable form assists with storage when not required. Since the design avoids batteries, users do not worry about leaks or overheating on warm days. It becomes a practical item for people who travel frequently, parents seeking comfort for young riders, or anyone wishing for smoother airflow during daily driving. With consistent cooling support, every journey becomes more pleasant from start to finish. In our list, the number 2 product name is Hayousui USB car cooling fans. Hayousui offers a practical way to bring steady airflow inside a vehicle through a dual-head design that moves refreshing air toward riders in every row. The modern style fits easily into daily travel, helping families, commuters, and long-distance travelers stay relaxed during warm weather. Each rotating section can be directed toward different seating areas, giving everyone in the cabin a pleasant stream of movement that reduces discomfort during slow traffic or long rides. A universal serial bus-powered design makes this cooling tool simple to use with many common power sources. The 5-volt 2-ampere requirement works with power banks, car chargers, computers, or home adapters, allowing riders to use the same connection throughout the day. Since it does not rely on batteries, the device can remain inside the automobile even on warm days without concern about leaks. The extended cord gives freedom to place the unit in various positions, supporting different car layouts including trucks, sport utility vehicles, recreational travel vehicles, and standard passenger models. A dependable brushless motor and pure copper spindle work together to deliver a consistent flow of cooling air while keeping the sound level near 30 decibels. This low volume supports peaceful rest for children or pets and reduces distraction for the driver. The 5-blade structure produces a steady stream that fills the cabin with smooth circulation, easing tension caused by heat during summer journeys. Riders experience more comfort while maintaining focus on the road. 3 separate airflow strengths allow users to select a gentle stream, a moderate breeze, or a stronger movement of air depending on weather and personal preference. A rotating head and fully adjustable base offer complete directional control, guiding airflow toward the front rows, back row, or side seating areas. Every traveler receives balanced cooling, making the interior more pleasant for both short drives and extended trips. Pets and infants seated in the rear can also enjoy comfort without loud noise. A sturdy clip attaches firmly to the headrest rod and folds neatly for easy storage when not in use. Adjusting the tightness takes only a brief moment, making the device convenient for different vehicle setups. Strong air circulation helps clear fog from the windshield, reduce unpleasant smells, and remove lingering smoke or dust. By refreshing the atmosphere quickly, the In our list, the number 3 product name is Cisbelw Portable 3-Head Car Cooling Fan. Cisbelw introduces a practical way to create steady airflow inside a vehicle through a 3-head design that brings refreshing movement of air to riders in every seat. The structure spreads cooling strength across the entire cabin, helping drivers, families, and travelers enjoy smoother journeys during warm seasons. Each rotating section works in harmony to guide a stream of moving air toward different areas, keeping the interior pleasant even when outdoor temperatures rise. A rotating base allows free movement in all directions, helping the air reach corners that often feel warm during long travel. Passengers in the front and back receive balanced airflow that eases discomfort and supports a calmer ride. The wide coverage brings relief to people and pets, making extended travel hours more enjoyable. This flexibility allows riders to stay relaxed, especially during slow traffic or highway trips where fresh movement of air makes a noticeable difference. Silent motor technology helps create a smooth stream of air without disturbing noise. This quiet operation supports peaceful rest for young children and reduces distraction for any driver who prefers a calm atmosphere inside the cabin. Even at higher strength levels, the steady breeze remains comfortable, offering a gentle yet effective cooling effect throughout the vehicle. Strong materials, such as durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, help the device handle rough roads and continuous use. The sturdy body remains stable while the motor keeps consistent rotation, providing a dependable performance day after day. Travelers who frequently drive on uneven paths can rely on this structure to maintain airflow without interruption. A corded power design that connects to a cigarette lighter outlet offers continuous energy without the need for charging. This approach suits long-distance travel where stable power is important. The 12-volt requirement works with many common vehicle outlets, making the device suitable for an extensive range of automobiles. Sedan owners, sport utility vehicle drivers, van users, bus operators, and off-road vehicle enthusiasts can all benefit from this cooling support. The lightweight size makes carrying and placement simple, allowing quick setup during daily routines or long trips. Multiple riders receive relief from heat and stuffiness as the triple-head layout distributes air more evenly than a single unit. Whether used for commuting, road travel, or transporting passengers, the steady circulation helps maintain a fresher atmosphere and a more enjoyable drive for everyone. In our list, the number 4 product name is Kuni Rechargeable Portable 8-inch Clip-On Fan. Kuni offers a practical cooling companion that supports daily activity, outdoor adventure, and long travel through a design made to deliver steady airflow wherever it is placed. The portable structure allows people to carry it from one location to another without effort, making it suitable for homes, work areas, outdoor shelters, camping spaces, fitness rooms, and travel situations where fresh movement of air creates comfort. The rechargeable power system stores energy inside a large battery, giving users long periods of cooling without depending on cords or outlets during busy routines. A sturdy clamp allows the device to attach firmly to various surfaces, such as a desk edge, a stroller frame, a golf cart area, a treadmill support, or a small bedside table. This versatility helps users position the cooling source near children, adults, or pets who need relief during warm days. The wide 8-inch head pushes steady airflow through a balanced 3-blade arrangement that moves air smoothly even when running at a high setting. The quiet motor keeps sound around 35 decibels, supporting work, rest, or study without disruption. Babies can sleep comfortably, and adults can focus without distraction. The rechargeable system works with fast charging technology that uses a 5-volt 2-ampere 10-watt energy supply. The battery can reach a complete charge within a few hours, making the fan ready for long stretches of use. A Type-C connection allows simple charging from laptops, phone adapters, portable power banks, and universal serial bus chargers, giving users broad flexibility when moving between home, office, vehicle, or outdoor areas. 4-speed settings provide different levels of cooling, giving gentle airflow for quiet hours or stronger airflow for warm environments. One mode helps save energy for extended use, while the others supply more vigorous movement of air during intense heat. The rotating head moves freely in all directions, helping users guide the breeze toward any point in the room, tent, or vehicle. This creates a refreshing surrounding for people working out, resting inside a shelter, or spending time outdoors. Durable materials help the device withstand frequent travel, regular movement, and placement in active areas like gyms or campsites. The compact size makes it simple to pack in a bag, store in a car, or clip onto various objects. With long battery life, easy charging, flexible positioning, and quiet airflow, the device supports comfort during daily routines, long journeys, or outdoor activities, making warm conditions easier to manage in many different settings. In our list, the number 5 product name is Hayousui USB Car Fan. Hayousui brings a practical cooling option that supports daily travel by delivering steady airflow to riders who need comfort during warm conditions. The dual-head layout offers smooth movement of air for children, adults, and pets seated in different areas of the vehicle. A simple connection through a universal serial bus cable allows quick operation with many automobile power ports, helping users enjoy refreshing circulation without complicated setup. The spring-style attachment fits securely across the backseat posts, giving a stable hold during long rides or rough roads. A brushless motor and pure copper spindle work together to create a strong stream of moving air, while keeping sound levels around 30 decibels. This quiet atmosphere helps infants rest calmly and allows adults to enjoy peaceful travel without distraction. Each cooling head can be adjusted independently, making it possible to set different strength levels for separate riders. A bright adjustable light on each section supports visibility during night travel, helping passengers find items or move comfortably without turning on overhead brightness. 3 airflow levels give flexibility for mild weather, moderate heat, or intense warmth. Riders can choose gentle movement, balanced circulation, or powerful cooling according to personal comfort. The rotating hose bends freely in every direction, guiding the breeze toward corners that usually stay warm during long drives. This helps maintain balanced temperature across the rear seat, supporting young children, pets, and adults during daily commutes or extended trips. The light structure saves space and remains easy to handle, making it suitable for compact automobiles as well as larger transport vehicles. A protective grid covers the blades to keep small fingers safe, offering peace of mind for parents traveling with young riders. The flexible design allows placement at different heights, helping airflow reach any preferred angle. This cooling system also supports fresh interior quality by moving stale air, clearing moisture from windows, and reducing unwanted smells that often linger in enclosed spaces. Smoke, heat, and pet odor can be reduced through constant circulation, giving passengers a cleaner atmosphere during every journey. Vehicle owners of various models, such as sport utility automobiles, vans, recreational travel vehicles, and standard passenger cars can all benefit from this adjustable setup. The compact body makes carrying and storing simple, and the strong hold ensures stable performance even during bumpy drives. Whether used for family travel, daily errands, or long adventures, this cooling tool adds comfort, visibility, and fresh air to every ride, making warm days much easier to manage for all travelers.